everybody. I'm going to be working on my EcoBoost today. I got a problem with my driver's side speaker. It's cutting in and out. I just put new speakers there because they were cracking and popping. But we'll go through the procedure to get the door off so you guys can, if you want, replace your crappy factory speakers. There, the lighting's better there. So you can replace the crappy factory speakers yourself. And I'll be right back and enjoy the video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I need about 700 and some subscribers to start, hopefully, so I can put some money into this truck. I'd like to get, exhaust, stuff like that. That way I can show you guys how to put that stuff on, and other things that I need to take care of on this thing. Like I'm going to need a new grill. I'd like to put a different grill on because I noticed I got 2 cracks at the bottom, and I'll show those to you here in a minute. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the cracks. I need to wash my truck, but it's bug season here in all the fields, so I'm hitting a lot of bugs back and forth to work and stuff. But here are the cracks, and this one's completely broken off, so I'd like to get that replaced eventually. But until I get some income on here, it might be a little bit. But we'll get to the speaker stuff now. Guys, there's 2 covers you got to take off to get this door panel off. One's right there, and one is right there. So let me get those. I just use a small screwdriver to get up underneath there to pop it up. See if I can keep my hand out of the way, but get that under there. Wish I had a better way to hold this, but let me get that off and I'll be back. Alright guys, I got it off, and there's one screw. Now we'll try to get this panel off to get to the screw behind there, and I'll have to get something, so I'll be back. Okay, we'll try this again. What I have is a pick. Of course the end's messed up, but take the pick in behind there and you should be able to just pull. See if I can find a place to set this. No, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, so we'll be back after I get this off. Okay, we got the panel off. Right here it is. Got the panel off, and then you got a bolt right there. So I'm gonna go get a socket. It looks like it's a 8mm, so we'll go get the 8mm and get back to it. Alright guys, I got the 8mm, and we're gonna start taking this apart. Yep, exactly, 8mm. Okay, I think we got it loose enough to come out. Yep, and there it is. Now we'll go to work on this one. Wish I had a better tripod, but it's helping me hold the camera and keep my hands out of the way, so we're going to work on this part here. Yeah, if I set you down there, it ain't gonna work. I'm trying to get you a better view, but this is what I'm left with this small tripod. We're gonna pause it, and then I'm gonna get this out, and I'll be back with you. Alright, I got it out. Now these doors just slide up. And I believe the handle comes out, so I'll show you how to do that. But these doors just slide up, so I'm gonna sit you down, see if I can get you a decent view of how it slides up. But you just take it, grab it from here in the bottom side, lift. Well, looks like I missed 2 screws. Yep, I did. There's one. He was hiding from me. I forgot about these. And there's number 2. So let me get, I'm not sure what size that is. Pretty small, but I'll go get that and we'll get it off there. Okay guys, it's a 6mm. So we'll get these taken off. Sorry, don't mean to be in the way. But we'll get those out of there and we will get this door off. Okay, now we should be able to lift up on this door. Now I grab here and down here and lift up and it should come off. Just like that. Now you got wires in here. Yeah, this whole door panel piece pops out. See if I can get it to pop out. Don't quite remember how I did it. You got, be careful, there's some wire connectors under here that connect the power windows and stuff. I'm just unplugging those right now. Kind of hard to see. Oh, there's 2 tabs on the front of this door handle. You push it in and push it out. And then that door handle comes out and then you can spin it out. Now the door handle's out. Now I can get to the plugs. I'll show you what we're looking at here. Right here. I disconnected that one. That goes to the power mirrors, which is right there. Then I got these down here for the powered windows and doors that I gotta get unplugged. And then the door handle right here, these 2 tabs, you push those in and push out and then it comes out and then you can twist it out. Pretty simple. I'm going to set you back down so I can unplug these. If I can get the camera to stay up. So we're going to get these unplugged. Alright. That simple. Now the door is off. Of course, the traditional electric connectors, you little tabs. Just push them in and they come out. This one's the tough one. This one you gotta wiggle a little bit for it to come out. These come out pretty easy. Same way with that one. But then you have access to your speaker right here. And that takes a 5.5 millimeter. So we'll get our speaker out of here. See what the heck's going on. Okay, now our speaker's out. Figure out what's going on. Yeah, I got this set together so I can use the original connector. That one's tight. I'm wondering if I might have accidentally reversed the polarity. So we're gonna set that there for now. We're gonna stick the key in. Whoops. I'll have to edit that out, but I don't know if that's enough to cause an issue or not on YouTube, but we'll find out, won't we? Looks like one of my connectors keeps vibrating loose. So I think I'm going to try to cut that out with the music there. I don't have any music I can play. So we'll have to set it up to where I won't be able to show you afterwards either, because all I got is the radio. So from here it looks like one of my connectors is loose, so I'm going to crimp that a little bit and we're going to see if that helps. Alright guys, we're back. I soldered it and electrical taped it, so now we're going to see how it works. I wish I had some random music to play that didn't have copyrights on it, or I would play it for you, but I'll let you know if it works. Okay guys, we're back. It is done. It sounds a lot better. Boy, I need to clean my truck. Just been so busy lately, hadn't had time, so hopefully I'll have time this weekend to clean, get her all cleaned up. But this will be it for this video. You guys have a wonderful and great day, and hopefully this helped some of you out. Later.